So this is wild. Vitalik created a trending meme coin by accident and he regrets it. And the way it happened is what you'd expect to see in the crypto space. On October 14th, he sent out a tweet as a joke stating, someone should make a project called The Protocol so that their shills can say, look, so-and-so mentioned the, pretty much anytime anyone says anything. It was just a joke. And before he could take another breath, what do you think happened? Someone actually went ahead and created the token. And in one day, it increased by 1,000%. And because of this token, Uniswap activity spiked. Daily users crossed 30,000 for the first time since March 2022 and 200,000 daily transactions, making it the highest since June of 2021. And their Twitter page has already grown to 3,400 followers. There is a lot of hype about this project. Everyone's talking about it. So Vitalik came out and stated, okay, what have I done? This was a joke and look what it turned into. Everyone is talking about this project saying, hey, is this the next Shiba Inu? And in Shiba Inu fashion, the project gifted 10% of the supply to Vitalik Buterin. And if we check Etherscan, we can see that 10% of the supply is controlled by Vitalik Buterin's address. And with Shiba Inu, they gifted half of the supply to Vitalik Buterin. It was a great marketing tactic. So this project is trying to do something similar. And by Vitalik interacting with that tweet only added to the hype. Everyone is talking about this project. And what happens next is what you'd expect to see. There are a lot of scams going on trying to take advantage. And PeckShield has detected 25 new The contracts, with 6 out of the 25 appearing to be honeypots. So very important, if you have any plans to interact with this token, make sure to do so with a burner wallet. A wallet that is only for interacting with this contract without having any other valuables on it. And the protocol is already being shown on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And very surprising, if we head over to markets, we can see it's being listed on Uniswap, which is not a surprise, but also on MEXC Global, a centralized exchange. MEXC Global, they're not a top tier exchange, but at the same time, they're not a nobody. So pretty wild to see this already happening. Now, when it comes to this token, it has a very small market cap at about $17-18 million. This is very, very small. So you probably know this already. This, of course, means it's a very high risk coin. But I myself, I'm not against people participating in these very small cap coins. The only thing I care about is that people don't get wrecked. These are such small coins, putting in a lot of money, it's very risky. You can lose 20, 30, 50, 60, 80% of your money. But at the same time, because it's so small, you can put in a very tiny amount, and if it does well, it does very well. And if you lose it, well, you lost a little money. People buy into these coins with the expectation to make 20, 50, 100 X's. So you don't have to put in a lot of money to have fun with this project. And if you do want to have fun with this token, make sure to go to the listing through a site like CoinGecko. So you can click and go to the actual contract. It will bring you to Uniswap. You can see the protocol, and they have a funny description over here. Product The is an ERC20 meme token that is inspired by Vitalik Buterin. And it's super important to clarify that this project is inspired by Vitalik. It is not endorsed by Vitalik. I'm sure he's looking at what's going on and he's not too happy about it. So if you are going to interact with this token, like I said earlier, use a burner wallet. And if you don't know how to set up a burner wallet, go ahead and watch this video right here.